So today we're going to do a run through of our new product, our Firepit Oven. We're really excited about this. It's the first of its kind on the market. Not only is it a fire pit you can use camping, which keeps your fire up off the ground, but it's got an oven underneath. So you can cook pizzas, all the things that you like to cook in the oven, while also cooking a steak on top. It's epic. So we'll have a little look. Like all Stratus products, awesome recycled cardboard box, no single-use plastic packaging inside, so we worked really hard on that. Again, heavy-duty wax canvas bag. It's made from 18 recycled plastic water bottles. Heavy-duty clips, and inside we've got the assembly instructions. So all on the lid here. How to assemble the fire pit, how all the pieces go together. It's really cool. So for assembly, start with the two end plates. With these, the feet at the bottom both want to be facing out. The end plates also have the handles, so whenever you're moving the fire in use, always use the handles with gloves as well. So you start with that. Next piece is the aluminium base plate for the oven. So it's a 3mm aluminium. You want to make sure the side rails for this piece are facing up. I'll explain to you later about why that is. So that goes in, clips in there, super easy. That'll stay like that. Click your next piece. Same again, it'll stay like that. Next piece to go in is the 4mm steel fire plate. So this is what the open fire sits on. With this, the side rails want to be facing down. So same again, just in, click into the little locking tabs. Same on the other side, it'll sit there like that again. Next piece is the back plate. So for the back plate, there's a structural bend on this and the front one. For the back plate, it wants to be facing out. Same again, slots in there, super easy. For the front one, slots in, super easy. Little thing to remember, just so you know you got these the right way. When you're sitting in front of the fire, you just want to be able to read Stratus Outdoors and protect the adventure. And then you know you've got it the right way. Next is the oven doors. So this is where the slide rails for the top fire plate and the bottom aluminium plate come in handy. So oven door just slides in there. And one for the back. And that's it. That's the main fire pit. So with each fire pit you get one small grill plate. So that's your small grill plate here. It just slots in the back. So you got 3 height adjustments there. So depending on what you're cooking, you can set it at different heights. Fire pit also comes with one oven tray. The oven tray just slides in there. Same again, for the oven you got 3 height adjustments. Each of these bends are the rails for the oven tray, so you can put your oven tray in at different heights, just like that. That's the oven door. So that's it. That's the Stratus Outdoors Firepit Oven.